what's going on, guys? It's Adam here, and welcome back to another video where today we're going to be unboxing a little surprise. Well, not really a surprise. It's an $8 box from Apple. And what's in this box? Well, not much special. Now, a few of you might know that the AirPods Pro have replaceable ear tips. Now, you can get them on Apple's website for $8. So, not really a surprise, but this isn't really going to be much of a special video, more or less an unboxing video for the AirPods Pro ear tips, and also a little replacement guide. Let's get started. So right away, we have a white box, very Apple-esque, very clean. Now on the bottom has the information about the package, and then on the top, it's the size. Mine's a medium, so I ordered a medium. Shout out to the AirPods Pro. So taking a look, there's no pull tab, so you need to open it with a scissors or knife. Opening up the box, we see an Apple Watch sized package, very nicely presented and very compact. Now we get our first look at the AirPod Pro ear tips. They're white and they come in a set of 2. Opening this very satisfying locking mechanism, we are presented with the AirPod Pro ear tips. Now I like the way they're presented. They're not thrown in a plastic bag or anything like that. Very nice, very Apple. And that's all you get with the box. Very clean, very simple for a simple product. Let's move on. So now that we've unboxed the AirPod Pro ear tips, let's take a quicker look at them in some detail. Well, they're very small and they go right on the AirPod like they should. Very clean packaging and, well, not really much to say because it's not really that fancy of a product, just more of an accessory. But you're probably wondering, how do I put them on AirPods? Well, let's take a look. So first up, you're going to grab your AirPod Pro case. Well, you already know the deal from here. Open it up. Let one AirPod out and let it drop, pull the other one out, and set it down nicely. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the ear tip. It's a silicone tip, so it's very rubbery. Now, you're going to need to pull it off with force, so don't be alarmed. You're not going to break it. Trust me. I would recommend doing it by unfolding the silicone ear tip, so that way you kind of leave like this weird upside down like holder. That's how you know if it's on or not. We'll get to that later though. So what you're going to do, grab it, pull it tight. And just trust me, it's not going to break. It'll pop right off just like that. Now, you're going to set it down, and you're going to do the same for the other one. Again, pull it with some force. Obviously don't try to break the AirPod, but it's going to require some force to come off. Now that you have both of them off, here are your AirPod replacements. And what you're going to do is grab one of them. I just decided to grab the top one because why not, and pull it out from the box. It's in a little bit snug, so don't be alarmed if you have to pull tight. So now what you're going to do is you're going to have to line up the ear tips, that way it fits into place. They have this little white gap at the top that you see right there. All you do is push it in, you'll hear a little click, and you're good to go. And it's not coming out. You can pull on it a little bit, it's not coming off. Shake it, do whatever you want. Perfect. Now you're basically going to do the exact same thing, but for the other one. They're on tight. I'm pulling it pretty hard and not coming off. So snug fit, but toss them right back in the case. And then once you do that, you're set. You just replace the ear tips. Nice job. So that's it. Not much else to it. Very simple, very easy, and they actually kind of look cool too. And they're nice and comfortable when they're new too. So that'll be it for this one. It's a different kind of video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, let me know down in the comment section below. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you really enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe. That way you never miss out on another video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.